Crude oil WTI has started the week on a bearish note, and those who want to know the reason why it has started bearish, you should watch out my weekly analysis. Definitely, it will give you a hint because, and I will touch base this reason in this analysis also as well. And natural gas right now almost trading flat. So, what to expect in crude and net gas today? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Also, you can join my free Telegram channel in order to get the live updates. Let's start. First, we look into US crude, followed with natural gas. Do watch till the end. Now, if you look at the oil's movement on the hourly chart, see there is a slight gap. It has breached past the resistance at 75 and it has come closer to the first support levels at 74.5. Now, see if you look at the complete movement, the consolidation, then the rise, the retracement here. But most importantly here, the 20 and 50 period moving averages have crossed over, and this is happening at a slightly higher levels on the hourly charts, and hence there is a possibility that it can continue with the downward momentum. First support should be at 74, 73.8 zone. Then the next support is at 73.6 and 73 levels. See, if you look at the complete movement on crude, you will find out, see, rise, retracement, and then this stronger rally has achieved. So it is trying to retrace a little below 74.5 levels. You can try to initiate a sell. Expect 74 levels as the first target, 73.6 as the next, and then 73, 72.8 should be achieved. But before that, let's have a further look. Stochastic at bottom, MACD. Now see, MACD has seen extreme divergence, extreme bearishness here. It has come till towards the bottom in a single go, and hence it should try to retrace a little here, which means now beyond 75 you can initiate a buy entry. What will happen there is it could try to fill the gap here, but then one must note that the resistance here are very nearby. Remember, till the time oil respects 76 levels, we will not be initiating a or we will not be considering oil as bullish. Only bullishness is oil if it trades above 76 for today and tomorrow. Yes, in the near term it is still bullish. Yes, in the near term I still expect it to achieve higher highs. However, right now we are not considering it for a buy till the time it respects 76 levels. For the time being, you can profit a little by buying at around 76 levels and then expect, or 75 levels. Also a little riskier trade, yes, or rather I will say at 75 itself you should buy, but then 75.2, 75.5 levels, 75.6 levels are greater resistance, and then till 76 you have to just put a 20 cents trailing stop loss. That is the first part to it if you are buying at 75. Why? Because just it is extremely oversold. It could try to show a slight pullback. RSI is oversold, but on the daily charts, remember I am still bearish here. It appears it could retrace more. Now look at the 2-hour chart. See, after a long time, after staying consistently divergent bullish, now crude is converging here. The moving averages have started to converge. This is slight bearish sign. I will wait for the crossover, and potentially from here oil could retrace a little on the downside, and then from there the pullback should be achieved. Now, as we have seen on our weekly review, that 72 is the greatest support in the downside. Only below 72 further sharper bearishness may be observed. Stochastic on the 2-hour charts is also oversold here. The MACD also has seen the peak here. You can see in a one single go it has seen the peak. So possibility for it to pull back a little on the upside exists. RSI looking downward. So what it could try to do, it could try to fill the gap which it has created. Now, if you look at the 3-hour chart, see the prices were divergent here till the moving average. It has come till towards the 50 period moving average and getting a support here. This is an important observation because see, it has consolidated earlier here at the same zone before pulling off till towards 77 levels. Now it has completed the journey here, and hence any breakout below this certainly will bring more bears there. It will try to close further positions which are left open till towards this zone. Hence, possibly, also remember this is almost at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, and hence 74 should be a greater support, and then below that 73.6, 73. But till then, possibility of a reversal also exists because it is trading oversold in the multiple time frames on the hourly and 2-hour charts. Hence, a buy above 75 which could bring you a little rise, but then Only bullishness is confirmed if it stays above 76. Stochastic oversold, MACD extremely divergent, extremely bearish. It could try to converge from here. RSI also have dropped a bit. Now on the 4-hour charts also. Now similar is the observation on the 4-hour. Nothing different. You can see this. Yes, there is a gap here. It could try to fill the gap and it has to break past this level in order to confirm the rise. See, in between 75 and 75.5, you have to remain extremely cautious. Oversold, extremely bearish on the 4-hour charts as well. RSI is also at bottom. Now coming to the daily charts. Now see, on the daily charts, till it creates a double bottom, we have to be watchful, because see, it could bounce back from the double bottom levels and pull up a little, achieve higher highs here 75.3, fill the gap here 75.5, and what it could try to do is create another channel of its own. See, it is still trading in this bullish channel. Remember the fact here, this is almost at the bottom of this channel, trying to breach out. It was trading outside Bollinger Bands, got the pullback here. This was the first red candle. It could continue for a little while. Now what has happened here is, see, oil has entered into a bullish zone. You can see the 20 and 50 period trading with divergence. Now we are waiting for the 20 and 50 period crossover here. And hence also remember the prices are too much divergent from the moving average. What it could try to do, it could try to stabilize here a bit, come down till towards this zone and then fly back. And that is why I say 72 levels are the greater support here. Stochastic has dropped, MACD willing to converge here, and it is still trading in green. It is trying to just converge a bit. It has got ample scope for it to continue with the upward momentum, though you can see the rally here, how it is traded bullish. RSI is also dropped. So considering this, I will recommend you to sell here at 74.4 and buy at 76, 75. Above 75 cannot avoid, but very nearby resistance at 75.3, 75.6 levels, and then above that 75.8, 76 levels. So once it stays above 76, that is the time you can say that now your position is safe and it is going to fly further high. Till 76 we have to be careful. Yes, possibility of a pullback exists very strong, and on the downside below 74.4 you can expect 74, 73.6, 73 levels as the greater support, and then below that we may see it traveling till towards 72.2, 72 zone, and from there a reversal cannot be denied. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural gas. And before we proceed to natural gas, if you want to learn the art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 24th batch starts on first week of August. Enroll yourself now itself. We only deal with limited seats and hence reserve your seats now itself. It is totally on the first come first serve basis. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First we look into the hourly charts here. Now see, net gas on the hourly charts, you can see if you just connect here, this is on the daily charts by the way, we'll come back to hourly charts soon. Now see, 2.4 levels are greater support. It is still trading in this bullish channel. Now we will come back to the daily charts later. Let's start with the hourly charts here. Now if you look at the net gas movement on the hourly charts, you can observe how it has behaved is drop, consolidation, drop, retracement, drop, retracement. Now it is very evident, very clear that it is trading in this bearish channel. And now if you see it trading above 2.6, that is the point above which little more bulls will try to pull the prices up, where you can expect 2.65 levels as the next target, 2.6465, and then 2.7 levels at the stronger resistance. Yes, this could be a sign of reversal here, but I will wait for it to give a breakout. Now see, on the hourly charts, it is still consolidating here. Once you see it trading about 2.56, you can buy, but then 2.58, 2.6 are the two levels it needs to pass by, and then till 2.65 just put a 2 cents trailing stop loss, and hence 2.6264 also greater resistance here. Stochastic rising here on the early charts. MACD divergent bullish looking upwards. RSI is also trying to look upwards on the hourly charts. Coming to the 2-hour chart, on the 2-hour charts prices are trading with divergence from the moving average, and that is why we can see a little conversion, and it is still trading bearish. Till the time moving averages start to look upwards, crossover, we should not be treating net gas as bullish. But right now what it is trying to do, it is trying to pull back little up, rise, retracement, rise here, possibly second highs till towards 2.56, and then 2.5866, 2.6 to 2.64. Till 2.6465 we have to remain watchful, cautious, alert, beyond which you should treat this for a reversal till towards 2.72 levels. Stochastic overbought. MACD crossing over at bottom, trading with divergence indicates there could be a slight pullback. RSI flat here. Coming to the 3-hour chart, similar observation, nothing different. Beautiful formation here, and it is creating the steps for the price to pull down. 20 period price is divergent from the moving averages. Chance of a pullback exists. You can buy at 2.56. However, be very cautious, alert till towards 2.65. Once again, I am giving you a warning. I can only warn you. Rest is up to you. The trade is yours. The money is yours. Stochastic rising, the MACD crossing over here at bottom, trying to trade with divergence, trying to look bullish, trying to look upwards. Now see the movement here. Rise. This is first cycle. This is second cycle, and now it is starting the third cycle, so possibly a little rise cannot be denied from here. RSI looking upwards, and on the 4-hour chart, likewise on the 4-hour charts, look at these two candles, double bottom, lower highs, and hence a breakout over 2.56. See, now prices are divergent too much from the 20, 50 and 100 period moving average. It could try to at best achieve these levels before looking forward to continue the journey. It could also give you complete V-shaped recovery, and hence till 2.65 we have to be careful. Beyond that, bullishness will confirm. Stochastic rising, MACD willing to converge, crossover for a buy entry, RSI flat. On the daily chart, see, previous was a swing candle. The last trading session last week was a swing candle. It created a doji here. Now you can see here it has created a flat base and now trying to show the pullback. It could possibly pull back. However, as I said, till here this could reverse again. The swing which we had seen earlier can be seen again, and hence on the upside till towards 2.65 you have to be careful, and on the downside, yes, you can sell here at 2.52 levels. Below 2.52 only further bearishness may prevail. 2.5 greater support, 2.45 and 2.4 are three major support levels. Hence you have to trade with caution till then. Stochastic oversold, MACD extremely divergent and bearish here. It could possibly start conversion. RSI flat. Considering this, sell at 2.52, buy at 2.56. On the upside till 2.65, just put a 2 cents trailing stop loss such that when the price moves up, your stop loss also moves up and your trade closes in profit or without any loss when the price shows an up move and a reversal. And on the downside, yes, as we have seen earlier on the daily charts, on the weekly charts, that till 2.4, net gas has greater support, and hence you have to trade with caution till then. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my Signal channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much.